We are out at the drag strip. We've got Rather Be Welding against DirtGearTV on their homemade buggies. It's 2 out of 3 race. So far it's 1 against 1. This opens it all. Oh man, that was close. The final race of Durhamtown 2022. We have Rather Be Welding versus DirtGearTV. Who will take it? This determines it all. Dirt Gear, are you ready? Rather Be, are you ready? On your marks. Get set. Go.
Go boys. Go boys. Woo! Ah, I lost. Fair and square. 2 out of 3, baby.
Dirt Gear.
Ultimate championship.
Congratulations, sir.
I'll take it all day long. You know, I've been working hard for this moment, and I've been thinking about this long and hard, and it's time for retirement.
It can't be. It can't be.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is. Everybody reaches a certain point in their career where it's time to, I was going to say something really dirty. Okay, scratch that last part. I'm retiring. Over and out.
What's that? This just in. DirtGearTV has not retired. He is in fact rebuilding his buggy. He wants to take Rather Be Welding on in the next challenge. What will happen this time? Who will win? Stay tuned for more in this 2023 episode of Durhamtown.